ರೂಪಾಯಿ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗೆ ನಾನು ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಕಾಲಗಳು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಈಗ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಇದು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ನಿಗೆ ನಾಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಜೆ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳತಕ್ಕಂತ ಹಕ್ಕು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ನವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಜನತಾದಳದವರು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಮೊದಲೇ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕಲಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಈ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಮಗ್ರವಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರಜೆಯಾಗಿ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಹರಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ, ಇನ್ನೇನು 20 ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್, 15 ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅಂದಟಿಗೆ ಖುಷಿ.
The BJP leaders and MLAs have, become very arrogant. The power has gone to their head. They feel the Prime Minister is above criticism, and Prime Minister is like a demigod. In a democracy, he is a leader who has been elected to serve the people, and in his governance, if there are lacunas, if there are shortcomings, if there are policies made which are contrary to the people's interest, we have every right to criticize him. So Prime Minister's chair is not about criticism.
The entire India Alliance has been targeting his parivar. We have also seen Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party abuse him over 100 times, whether it's Gangu Teli, Bhasmasur, Neech, Hitler ki maut marega, kabr khudegi, also making comments on his OBC Samaj, on his chai wala bhumika, on the family of Prime Minister Modi, his mother, his father. So this shows that this is the DNA of the Congress party, from Maut Ka Saudagar to this, because they cannot tackle or answer for the developmental works done by Prime Minister Modi or the work done for the poor people of this country.